Have you had some of your electronics ruined because some of the batteries have leaked and corroded the battery terminals? I'm going to show you a way to fix that. I have a battery pack here that has some very badly corroded terminals in it. And so we're going to clean these up and I'll show you how it's done. I've discovered this product called CLR, Calcium Lime Rust. And this stuff just works magic on corroded battery terminals. It's in the adult-proof opener. Takes a kid to do it. And so I'm going to dip cotton swab in this. I'll get a generous amount on this cotton swab and apply it to a corroded terminal. This battery pack, I don't remember what it's from. I think all the rest of it was discarded, but I saved this because it was so badly corroded, so I wanted to demonstrate this method to you. Okay, I'm going to let that one soak for a while, and I'm going to come back to this terminal. Look at that. That one's so badly corroded, the spring has just come right off. So because of that, because of the mechanical breakage there, this pack is not going to be salvageable, but I want to demonstrate at least how this cleans up. You can see possibly that it's bubbling and foaming and just eating away at that acid or that corrosion. Sometimes when it's really caked on there, you'll have to apply this several times and give it a little bit of friction. Some people use sandpaper to clean these. I recommend against that. Sometimes you do more damage than good when you're sanding these things. I need to get a little bit more on here. Whoops, some of it spilled out. This stuff will burn your skin, by the way. I got some on my fingers, so they're going to be burning pretty soon. So when that happens, you're going to want to wash that off as soon as you can. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for just a moment, and I've got to run to the sink and wash this stuff off of my fingers because they're burning like fire. So I'll be right back. So I'm letting the material soak just a little longer, but again, here's the product. You can get it at most grocery stores, hardware stores. It takes off calcium, lime, and rust. CLR. Great to use in your coffee pot once in a while. If you have a shower head in your bathroom that seems to be kind of clogged, you may have hard water and you get a lot of these calcium deposits. Fill a cup with CLR and submerge the shower head inside that cup for a few minutes and it'll clear it right out. I have no financial interest with this company, whoever makes this. I'm just bringing this to your attention so you're aware of it and aware of the process of fixing your electronics. I've had a lot of electronics given to me by people who recognize they no longer work because of the corroded terminals, and they just say, here, you can have it. If you can fix it, great, you can keep it. I have even found things in the dumpster, looked at it to see why it was thrown away, and it was obvious. The terminals were so corroded. Well, it was an easy fix. Okay, I'm just using a clean tip at this point to try to get some of that material off. Okay, this one was so badly corroded. There's still a little bit of discoloration on it, but at this point I think it would work. Except over here, if you recall, the little spring has broken off. But the discoloring is gone. And you can see on this tip the blue-green material that has been rubbed off onto the cotton swab. Okay, I'm going to say something that's just perhaps a little controversial, but I feel it's my duty to tell you the truth. I have had more electronics ruined because of batteries corroding. And the biggest culprit are those batteries. I'm not going to say the name, but it's the ones with the copper top. You know what I'm talking about. Avoid those at all cost. I no longer buy those copper top batteries because they are the culprits that seem to leak more than anything else. There are other choices. There's several other kinds that you can buy that work exceptionally well. I don't even have one of those copper top batteries in the house to show you. I just refuse to buy those. I refuse to have them in the house because I don't want anybody putting those in any of my electronics. Never again. So, just giving you that warning. This is what I've noticed. I've watched this through the years and just decided, yep, it's that particular type of battery that seems to cause most of the trouble. So now that I've quit using it over the last several years, I have not had any problems. I appreciate all the videos that people make on how to repair, how to build something. And so I just want to give back a little bit to the community and hope that this has helped someone. Thank you for watching.